Hi, I'm Air Canada Flyer, and I'm here to do the unboxing of the next plane, my 1/400 scale collection, which is the Delta 757-300. Let's start the before we start the unboxing. This is Delta 757-300. It is 2010. Oh, sorry. It's a 2010 Gemini jet release. Oops. There's the model in flight. And let's get started with the unboxing. So this plane, there's the words. And let's start the unboxing. So the registration on this plane before I start is November 591 November Whiskey, as it was a Northwest Airlines aircraft before it was painted in Delta. I also have the Delta 757-200 with winglets, which is in Delta's new colors. Oh no, I won't grab it. Actually, I will in a minute, but its registration is TW at the end, which I will grab that aircraft in a minute, which I'll actually grab that right now. Here we go. Here's my Delta 757-200 with winglets. The registration on this plane is, oh crap, I can't see it, November 703 Tango Whiskey. So that's this plane. I probably plan on getting the Delta 757-200 Sky Team livery and the Delta 767-300 in the winglets, but new registration. I do have on order, as most people do have, is the Gemini, Phoenix Lufthansa A330-300, which I really am excited about. I wasn't going to start collecting airplanes again, as you know, if you ever got my message. And before I forget, oh, where's the stand? There's the model. It looks like it's taking off out of the airport. Before we start, this model is dedicated to Adam Boeing 737 and NWA 941 and Hockey Man 119. Special shout out to Hockey Man 119. And I do plan on also getting the Delta 7. I also have on order, which are going to be shipped out. Tomorrow's the 30th. What day is today? I think today's Tuesday. Let me just check what day it is today. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Yeah, tomorrow's Tuesday, and on Wednesday, my U.S. Airways 757-3. Oh, the stamp fell off. U.S. Airways 757-200 winglets, and U.S. Airways 757 winglets, a U.S. Airways 767-200, and a U.S. Airways A320-200, which I wanted because the Hudson River crash. So here's the model. I'm gonna do a tail view with a couple of my different Deltas. I'm gonna put them right up here. Should I put it like this? And I'll grab my Delta 767 and I'll show you a tail view of my three Deltas I like. So as you see here, I have my Delta 767-300, which I have to unbox 2 today. And a Delta, actually I'm going to put this plane right here. view, which, as you can see, I have a 737 800, nope, 700, 757 300, 757 200, and a 767 300 without winglets. So, the next plane I'm going to unbox is a Delta 737 700 and 800, and one on all at once because I thought they're both great models and I might as well do them. So, I'd like to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.